Well, hello and welcome back. I am Anne LaFollette, a surface pattern designer, online educator, and creative entrepreneur. And in this summer spotlight series, I love to highlight students who've come through my Pattern Design Academy program so that you can see what they are now doing with their artwork. Today's episode is all about Maria Ahl-Zanier, who's a watercolor artist in Sweden, and she is going to share a quick studio tour with us today so that you can see how she has turned her beautiful watercolor work into repeating patterns that she sells on a variety of different products. So let's jump right in.
Hello there. My name is Maria Ahl-Zanier, and I am a watercolor artist from Berg in Sweden. Now I'm going to welcome you to come and take a look into my studio. So here you can see some of my watercolors. I do like to make a lot of flowers, and I do like quite strong colors in my art. This one here is called Thistle. I did that one just before I started the academy, and you're gonna see here, if you go over here, when I started the academy, I really wanted to make something from my art because I had never worked in Illustrator before, and I was so excited. So I put this pattern together, and I do have, it's my thistle, but I also put some butterflies and things, little other leaves and stuff in it. And I made this pillow, and I also made a tote bag and a kitchen towel, or tea towel, maybe you say. I do make some little dish rags here, and here's another tea towel I made for some people next door. They wanted their flower, and this is how that turned out. And here I have some little coasters, and here are my trays. So I make quite a bit of trays. And how do I do them? Well, as you can see down below here, I have some fabric. So I order fabric from my designs, and then I cut out pieces of fabric and I send them to this company who makes the tray. And they actually put the fabric, it's right in here, you can feel it with your fingers. And back here I have my design, my little logo, and it's wooden, and they are actually really good. I have to make some more. Anyways, I have here also postcards that people really like, and I have some cutting boards, and I make some little bags from my designs. I also have up here velvet pillows. Some are from repeated patterns, but some are also from only a painting. It's a little bit different. Here's the old part where my grandparents used to have this as a general store, so we kept some of the old part here. And over here, well, here are different designs of my tea towels. And I do make a little label that goes around it that says the name of it, like this, for instance, Garden of Lemons. And I think that's nice to kind of show people what they are called and things. So here I also have some little prints that I make. It's fun to have a little bit of everything. So here I am upstairs in the studio, and right now I am at the end of my course Color Flow. So here are some of the stuff that we had in the class, and well, it's Easter around the corner, so there is daffodils everywhere, which is really nice. And here I got some dresses. I started to make dresses after I took the academy, and I'm so thrilled about them. They are really fun. Here's one that I made in, Illustrator, and this is one as well. And here is also the Thistle. So here is where I work most of the time. And well, I'll show you up here too. At the table there, I usually just sit and, work on my computer, plan my classes and things. And this is where I paint on this table. And I also do some live and video from my course. So this is what they usually see from behind here. And to tell you the truth, I'm actually just started today, actually. I started to find a new pattern. And it's going to be about ranuncles, or whatever you call it. Here in Sweden, we call them ranunkel. And so what I do is I try to find the colors here, and then I go for it, and I can't wait to put it together. So that's about it from my studio. Here I got a nice big window here with lots of light, and then you can see where I live on the other side of the street down there. So I just wanted to tell you that for me, the Academy has been such an eye-opener, because to be able to put my paintings on fabric is just such a great feeling. I just love it. And I can make the design so big. I could never do that before. When I just took a picture, I used Photoshop or something. And another, for me, very, very great thing is that I have got such a great new friends. I am so blessed to have these friends from all over the world. I live in this little village, and we are 40 people here, Of course I know them, but I don't get to see that many people. And for me to be able to pick up the phone or just do like a FaceTime or something, it is great. I have found we are so alike in the way what we are thinking, and we are helping each other. And I think that's a great, great thing. So I hope that you have enjoyed this little tour of my studio. And if you're ever in south of Sweden, come for a visit. You're always welcome. Hej då!
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Come back again next week. Over the course of the summer, I will be sprinkling in wonderful, inspiring student spotlights that I hope will help motivate you to lean into your creativity and bring your artwork out into the world. I always like to say in closing that I am Anna Follett, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week. If you enjoyed this broadcast, don't forget to pop over to my website, annlafollettart.com, and you'll land on a page that looks like this. If you scroll down just a little bit, I'm always highlighting in this banner area something new that's happening in my business or something that I would love for you to explore. And so always pop over here and check this area out. In addition, if you scroll down a little bit further, I'm always changing up my offerings in order to serve you best and continue to share the latest and greatest information about the surface design industry and how you can craft a career that you love in pattern design. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you can follow me on Instagram, and then also pop over to my YouTube channel. And I would love for you to hit the red subscribe button, as well as the little bell, so that you're notified whenever I have a new broadcast. Thank you so much for being a part of my creative community, and bye for now.